Hello everyone, welcome to Fijian Investment Trader, known as Fijian Traders. This is Mr. Singh. Green Concept, ticker symbol INKW, bewater gang, happy mellow, stay hydrated, you name it. Well, what a return for investors are coming in. We had a massive pull all the way when we were sitting at 0.17 level, all the way to the highs of 0.0041. Even though when we pull back at 0.0022, we made our run back again in the highs of 0.0040. So, are we done yet? No, no, no. We are not done yet. This is a beautiful start just happening, and I'm so excited for the investors. And I'm going to talk about in fundamentals, the stock performance more related on that, and what are the key levels moving forward. It is just a beautiful start for Green Concept, and you should be excited because I am excited as well. Okay, what are we looking at? How is the performance of the stock? So Green Concept is a 5-day 20% up performance. On a month it's a 53.19%. Phenomenal. On the 3 months performance is a 56%. So everything is pointing to a right direction, which investors should be really excited about it. If you are a bull, bear, absolutely not. Wrong timing during this time. But I'm going to tell you about the shorts as well. What's going on with Green Concept? 6%. We are looking 6 months. We are looking at about 28.5%. Year to date, we are looking at 63.64. 1 year performance, we are still down our negative of 33%, but it's just a matter of time. We're gonna start seeing a massive ramp. This is just a build up. Every time a stock spikes up, people sells it, new investors comes in and pushes back again because people have been locking profit or they've been holding if you're around a 0.40040, and they sell it, and some panic sellers when as soon as they start seeing it started dropping. So I'm not a final advisor. I'm just doing my due diligence and technical analysis where I gather my fundamentals for the company that I invest on, and I share with you guys. So please don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button, and turn on the notification because I do talk about a lot of stocks such as Nvidia, Neo, Mara, Tesla, Plug Power, Green Concept is one of it, and many more. And so let's dig dive and try to figure out, not try to figure it out, I want to share with you guys what are the key, why we see 7 days of movement, right? It's volume predicts price, and you can clearly see that the volume that we're having today, it's around roughly about 34 million shares have been doing it. And on the 20th, you had about 7 million, then 29. So it's a roller coaster. One day we have more, less. Next day we have less trading shares coming in. So it's not a constant basis where we can keep seeing a big swing of price that we love to see as investors. But volume predicts price, and volume is increasing, but at a not a speed and not at the rate that I was looking at it. But doesn't mean I am not bullish yet. I'm still bullish. I still have my target at $1. It doesn't matter to me if I need to hold it for 10 years for $1. I have no problem with that. But I'm saying it's just a matter of time. This stock is about to flip. It is just a matter of time because the key fundamentals of the company, how Mr. Lenny Green is talking and marketing about the promotion of bewater is absolutely phenomenal, and the company started slowly doing that. And I'm sure there's more news coming in terms of another distributor, which I mentioned last time. We did have that. I won't be surprised right before summer it's going to start heating up, and we're going to see another big distributor comes in and start getting these getting a distribution contracts. Okay, let's shift the gear to the next one. What are we looking on the short interest? This is what I wanted to share with you guys. Current short volume is roughly about 205,000. Shorts dollar value was $550.93. Like I said, today's average yesterday's average volume was 34 million. Average is 6. So that is our biggest thing. We need to push it. We need to push as investors, for the new buys to come in because volume predicts price. Shorts, as you can see, that has been dying out from past 4 quarters. and we this is just right around in February. You can clearly say that shorts did stepped up, and but it's not sustained. Where we used to see it over 100 around at yes, about around 1000 area. So definitely shorts are not there yet, even the very little of shorts presence on green concept. About my portfolio, still up here folks. Didn't add any shares. This is one of my smallest stock I invested on. Doesn't mean that I don't believe in company. My plan is to add more shares. Yes, the key level that I'm going to tell you guys that I'm going to add more shares is going to be 0.0050, where I'm going to be adding more shares, and it's going to be times 2 where I'm going to be adding more shares. Why is that? Because that is another breakout point where we're going to see green green concept is going to be trading sideways. We need a little bit of sideways trading to make a higher highs and higher lows. Still invested on Mara. Like I said, I invest a lot. Nvidia is one of my biggest account, and if you have not, go ahead and check out the videos that I put it on. But Nvidia is one of my biggest accounts. So still up here. I love to see the greens on that. Absolutely, with 33%. Absolutely, I take it. I've not sold any shares yet. This is not my time. This is not my game plan to sell my shares yet. Just to hold it up, and my target is still stays the same, and it is gonna be a $1. Yes, I am keeping it as $1 as long as it's gonna just take. Okay, let's talk on the fundamental technical side. Right now we are trading at 0.0038. What a comeback! What a comeback we had when we had this big pull over here. And I did mention it. That it is gonna be a healthy pullback because technical analysis do not lie. The pink line, which is my 200-day EMA, which is sitting at 0.0029. My blue line, which is my 60-day EMA. Even though when we broke out, we came back, and next 2 days we rallied back, and we did cover that gap of those two moving average. Was a clear indication of an uptrend back again reversal, right? And volume predicts price. Look at the volume over here when we jumped in. Very little. Now the volume is coming up. When the volume came all the way down, you can clearly see that a lot of volume came in and pushed the price up. We still need more volume. Yes. RSI is not going to the oversold territory yet. We have a lot of room left. Means it can be seen around a 0.0050. It's just a matter of time. We're gonna shift the gear. All the way to the 3 months. 3 months. Why did I say breakout? Right when we were sitting over here at 0.0020, when we had the spike up and go tested that 0.22 level. The reason was that because of a crossover. Whenever you can clearly see that the pink line is the 200-day and the blue line is my 60-day. Whenever you trading those two moving average is 200 is up and below is 60-day, means it is a downtrend. When you have this crossover, guess what? We jumped in all the way, double from 0.0020 all the way to 0.0041. Actually, when 0.0042 was the highest it went up, and now we are rallying back again. Right? We are rallying back again. What does it mean? Look at the volume. Folks. It is phenomenal. MACD, we have these green bars come in. Everything is pointing towards a right direction. Means it is creating a higher highs and higher lows on that. So, technical side, absolutely great. What we need to be very, very careful. Yes, very, very careful is to not very careful, but we're gonna be very yes, I would say very careful, because when we have look at our blue line, it's kind of tagging along with my pink line. Means, but there's a big but. We had a reversal on the green. Reversal means a MACD came in, we started having green bars, and RS started pulling. Means there was a very little chance where shorts did step up, but the bulls made the ground and held their ground and pushed the price up high all the way to that. So what I am looking for this week coming up, next week coming up, is definitely going testing the highs of 0.0045 and all the way to 0.0051. But the first thing, we gotta hold. We gotta hold on 0.0041. We are struggling to hold that, and we're getting rejected quickly back over here. This round 2 is really gonna be critical. If we don't break it, even though our two moving are taking so close, if we don't break it, then we'll see another pullback coming in. But I am very, very confident to see that we're going to be breaking out. Yes, yes, yes. I am very confident to see that moving average is breaking down all the way up high. You can see, I know you can barely see on my chart, but this is all my technical analysis leveled all the way up high. And why I can see the biggest, one of the biggest is going to be breaking around at 0.87, but 0.0087, but we have baby steps. We got to follow these baby steps, and which is going to be 0.41, 0.0041, then the next one is 0.0045, and then 0.0051. Well, there's the key levels, and I am confident we're going to break it because you are on the 6-month chart. When I saw this reversal, it is a beautiful setup, and I'm excited about it. Folks, thank you for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. Usually don't do the videos during the market like this, but I was done my trading. Even one trade just for today because my week was great. Thank you. I know you guys are going to have a wonderful week too. Stay positive because this is a beautiful start with green concept. I know there's a lot of comments, some good, some bad, but stay positive. You know, that's your money. You decide what you want to do. Don't dictate anybody. Nobody's comment can do that. My job is to share the good, the bad, what I'm seeing on the stock. This is your decision to make. What are you doing? I am not saying go hold a dollar all the way like me. That is my plan. This is my goal on that because I am willing to hold that money for that long. And where I have other monies on my other portfolio that I moved around a lot. So this is one of the sleeper stock. One of the sleeper stock that I am done. I have all the way to 3 sleeper stock. I have done it. This is my 13th year doing the trading. I am not new to this rodeo. I've seen stocks flying out, missing those runs, some good, and went in at the right time, locked up a lot of gains on that. So market is a bit roller coaster right now because of the high interest rate is coming up. But the next meeting from the Feds is going to be in April, April 30 to May 1st. And that's going to be something that's going to dictate how the stock market actually operates. Because once interest rates have been cut, you mean less growth on the retail or any companies in US and other countries as well. So once again, thank you for watching it. Stay tuned. Next video coming up. And most of the next videos is usually going to the members on that. So I have a new platform that's set up on that. So subscribe on the membership so you get an instant if you're looking for any technical analysis where I'll be talking on the membership. So thank you once again and have a wonderful weekend.